Now I wanted to give you guys a good idea of what you can expect right out of the box with the Ricoh Theta X. I have the camera on my selfie stick right now, just cruising around with it. This is the audio directly from the camera. So this is exactly what you can expect to get. We're going to do a full tour of this house from front to back, including the workshop. So we are currently in the front bedroom. This view is awesome right out this window here. We have a closet in here. You can see we got some plumbing going in as well. Our bathroom is in here. Down the hallway we have another similar setup, another bedroom here. Bathroom in here. And closet off to the side. Once again, bedroom. Nice view out the window there. We have bathroom here. And closet here. Back into the hallway here. I love that the ceiling is 9 foot all the way through. No interruptions aside from that back door there. Open room here. We have attic access. This is the side entry here. We have the garage here. Beautiful 3-car garage. As we walk down the hall, on the left here is the library. And into the pantry here, we've got an arch, another arch there. Drop ceiling, bringing it down to 9 foot. Into the dining room area, drop ceiling as well in here, and then into my favorite area, the great room here. This goes up super tall. Guys are currently working on building up the fireplace there. This area here is going to be for art, and this is the grand entry here. We'll have big double doors walking in to this beautiful great room. Drop ceiling under there. There's going to be some faux beams and stuff running through. And the master suite is over here. We'll have a slider, big window here, another big window here. Tons of room. A lot going on. This is going to be a pocket door in here. And the view, once again, is amazing. This whole area over here will be taken up as the master suite area. And then the other side that we already walked through will be like the guest area. That way it's a separate wing, they have their privacy. So imagine waking up and walking into here. Massive great room, your art's hanging on the walls here. Going to be awesome. Let's go check out the workshop area, and then we'll do an exterior walk around. Let me know down in the comments what you would be parking in this garage here. As we get over to the workshop area, there is a lot of space in here. This went up a lot taller than it should have been. This wasn't supposed to be a 6 and 12. This is a massive vault. You can see there was top plates up there at 4 and 12. That is what it got built at. The trusses came at 6 and 12 though. There was a couple fixes there. Link in the description down below if you want to check out that video where I explain what happened and how we fixed it. So this is going to be the pool room right here. Pool will be right out there. Little changing room, bathroom in here. Then when you're done in the pool, you dip into here and you can work on some stuff. But this space here is going to be awesome. Nice and open, huge ceilings. This will be perfect. Now let's walk through and check out the outside. Once again, all the audio that you're hearing is completely from the Ricoh Theta X. You can see the recessed window detail here. We're gonna come back and flash all these later. Every single window is done the same exact way. This house is pretty unique in the sense that it's built like a little monopoly home. There are no overhangs. This is where we started our tour. This is our grand entry here. Back with the big fireplace. Outlet setting. Back patio still needs to be completed. That'll take up the majority of this outside area. Right now we're where the pool will be. Nice patio cover made out of steel for this outside. And the back side of the workshop. We'll climb up this hill here and show you the top. That is it. That is a full exterior and interior walkthrough. If you guys want to, click through my channel and see all the videos that have been put up about this house. There are quite a few of them. And if you're into stuff like this, go ahead and hit subscribe down below. Leave a like on the video if you can. If you have any comments about the construction that's going on or the camera that I'm using, feel free to drop in the comments. If you want to see the full review we did of the Ricoh Theta X camera that we're shooting on right now in 360, go ahead and click the link in the description down below. That'll take you to it. But that is just a quick little walkthrough showing you guys what this place looks like. The 360 camera is a super awesome feature, I feel, that gets you so much more in depth than just your typical video. But that is it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, Let me know down in the comments. My name is Matt Pinella with MattBangsWood, and I'll see you next time. Bang on.